today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose and what each one means, so your data lands exactly where you expect it. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want the data to go. This can be an existing spreadsheet you're already working in or a new one you've just created. If you're planning to replace anything in your current sheet, it's a good idea to quickly duplicate it first, just in case you want to roll back. Now, head to the top left and click File, then choose Import. This opens the import window where you'll pick where your data is coming from. You'll see options for Upload, Google Drive, URL, or Other. Use Upload when you have a file on your computer, like a CSV, TSV, or an Excel file. Choose Google Drive when the file already lives in your drive or has been shared with you. If you have a direct link to a file online, use URL and make sure that link is accessible so Sheets can fetch it. The Other section is there for additional connected sources that might be available in your account. Once you've chosen the source, either select the file or paste the link. You'll usually see a quick preview so you can confirm you picked the right file. Take a moment to check column headers and a few rows to make sure the structure looks right. If the file includes dates or numbers, a quick glance here helps catch any formatting surprises early. Next, decide how you want to bring the data in. Create New Sheet starts a fresh spreadsheet with your imported data. Use this when you want it completely separate from your current file. Insert New Sheet adds a brand new tab inside the spreadsheet you already have open, keeping everything together but on its own sheet. Replace Current Sheet overwrites the tab you're currently viewing with the incoming data. This is great for periodic refreshes, but double check you're on the correct tab because it can't be undone without using the undo command. When you're happy with the source and placement, click Import. Google Sheets will bring in the data and display it based on the option you chose. Give it a quick scan to ensure headers align, numbers and dates are recognized correctly, and nothing looks cut off. If something seems off, don't worry, use Undo and try a different import placement or source option. That's it. You've successfully imported data into Google Sheets clearly and confidently.